Hey there! Today in this video we're talking about adding positive and negative integers, and we're going to talk about two different ways to do it. My first way is a little bit more visual, that's with my number line. My second way are just the rules. First we're going to start with the number line. So I always know that the negatives are to the left of the zero, meaning whenever I subtract or have a negative I go to the left of the number line. And I know that positives are always on the right of the zero, meaning anytime we have a positive, we're going to go to the right on the number line. So let's go ahead and look at this. I'm going to start at -3 because this is my problem, -3 plus 2. And since it's a positive 2, I'm going to go to the right 2 spots. So 1, 2, which leaves me at -1. So -3 plus 2 is -1. I'm going to show you two more. Now I've got 2, so I need to start at 2, plus a -3. Since it's a -3, I'm going to go to the left, those 3 spaces or units. So let me start at +2, and I'm going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3. So I've got -1. Let me go ahead and erase that. Notice that I had them flip-flopped, but it came out with the same answer. So it doesn't really matter which order they're in, it just matters which one has the negative and which one is the positive. So let's go ahead to this one. I'm going to start at -1. Since it's a -2, I'm going to go to the left 2 units. 1, 2. And that leaves me at -3. So that's how I do it with the number line. Now you can draw a number line each time you want. I'm going to show the rules for the other way to do it. So if I have the same sign, I'm going to just add. And if I have different signs on my problem, I'm going to subtract. Now these are the same problems as these ones because I want to double check that my rules work. So if I have the same sign, I'm going to add. I'm going to see if any of my problems have the same signs. This is a positive, or excuse me, this is a negative, this is a positive. 2 different signs, 2 different signs, negative and a negative. Ooh, same sign, I'm going to add. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now, here's the key. Whatever number is the biggest number, the answer gets that sign. Since 2 is the biggest number, my answer has to match 2's sign. 2 is negative, so my answer is negative. That little answer rule is the same for every single one, no matter if it's same sign or different sign. So now let's go ahead and do different sign. I need to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, for my little answer rule, I have to see which number was bigger, which is 3. And my answer needs to match 3's sign, which is negative. So my answer is -1, and so far I am matching. Let's check this one. I've got different signs, a negative and a positive, and I can just subtract as if they were both positive. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now I look at the bigger number for the matching sign, so my answer needs to be negative since -3 is the bigger number. So to recap real quick, if you're using a number line, positive goes right, negative goes left, count the units. If you're using my rules, your same signs, just add them, and your answer gets that sign. Different signs, subtract them, as if they were just positive numbers, and then your answer has to match the bigger number's sign. That's it.